In the shadows of uncertainty, where others see chaos, I see opportunity. Life's a relentless race, and I'm not here to merely participate. I'm here to dominate. The world may throw its challenges, but I catch them with open arms. Adversity is the forge that shapes a man, and I am forged in the fires of relentless determination. I don't dwell on the past. I mold the present and carve my destiny. Loyalty is my armor, and strategy is my sword. When the storm rages, I don't seek shelter. I dance in the rain of chaos. In this city of smoke and mirrors, I am the reflection of unyielding willpower. I don't fear the unknown. I make it mine. Success is not bestowed. It's seized. I don't wait for the opportunity. I create it. There are no shortcuts to power, only a path paved with calculated risk.